So guys, karon di ay naami report sa personal development ug among first reporter kay si Lanil May Ochea.
Last is 38 weeks or 9 months. This is the birth. Full birth. So in 30 weeks or 9 months, this is the birth or normal or mature baby.
Maturing. Next guy.
That's a miracle for the continuation miracle.
So si Kathleen Mendoza na pula ay atong next reporter karon.
Next is prenatal development. So in prenatal development, there are some physical changes. First, during the first trimester, the embryo grows rapidly and its various body systems begin to develop, including the skeletal, muscular changes. Dili kay magstay na dyan na siya, anak. So, it develops including the skeletal and muscular, circulatory.
So maraming salamat sa panunood. Hanggang sa susunod na video at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel.